Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two words that sound similar but are completely different: belong and along.
These words confuse many learners because they sound alike.
But they have totally different meanings and uses.
Understanding them prevents embarrassing mistakes.
By the end of this episode, you'll never confuse them again.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
And we want to give a special shout out to @Cantalot for this videos and learning with us.
Thank you so much @Cantalot. We're so happy to have you in our English the Natural Way learning community.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand that these are two completely different words.
They're not related in meaning at all.
The similarity is only in sound.
Let's explore each one.
What is belong?
Belong is a verb.
It means to be in the right place or to be a member of something.
It can also mean that something is owned by someone.
Pronunciation, be-long. Stress on long.
Three main meanings.
Meaning one, to be in the right place.
These books belong on the shelf. That's where they should be.
This chair belongs in the kitchen.
Its proper place.
Meaning two, to be owned by someone.
This phone belongs to me. I own it.
The house belongs to my parents.
They own it.
Meaning three, to be a member or part of.
I belong to a book club. I'm a member.
She belongs to our team.
She's part of it.
Belong is about ownership, membership, or proper place.
What is along?
Along is a preposition, sometimes an adverb.
It shows movement or position in a certain direction.
It means beside, through, or moving forward.
Pronunciation, along. Stress on long.
Main uses.
Main use 1, movement in a line or path.
We walked along the beach, moving beside the beach.
Drive along this road. Move forward on this road.
Use 2, position beside something.
Trees grow along the river. Positioned beside the river.
Shops along the street, located beside the street.
Use 3, with someone. Come along, bring along.
Come along with me. Come together with me.
I brought my friend along. Brought them with me.
Along is about direction, position, or accompaniment.
The key difference.
Belong is about ownership, membership, or proper place. Verb.
Along is about direction, position, or accompaniment. Preposition.
Completely different words.
Let's see them in sentences.
This pen belongs to me. Ownership.
Walk along the path. Direction.
I belong to a gym. Membership.
Come along with us. Accompaniment.
Different meanings, different uses.
Common uses of belong.
Belong plus to plus person. Ownership.
This laptop belongs to Sarah.
The keys belong to me.
Belong plus to plus place or group. Membership.
I belong to this community.
She belongs to several clubs.
Belong plus in or on plus place. Proper location.
Your shoes belong in the closet.
The dishes belong on the table.
Common uses of along.
Along plus noun. Movement or position.
Walk along the street.
Houses along the highway.
Come, bring, take along. Accompaniment.
Do you want to come along?
Bring your sister along.
Get along. Phrasal verb. Have a good relationship.
We get along well.
They don't get along.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Hi, I'm looking for my book. Have you seen it?
The mystery novel? It belongs on that shelf over there.
Oh, thanks. I'm going to the library. Do you want to come along?
Sure. Which library do you belong to?
The city library. It's along Main Street.
Great. Let me grab my library card. Where does it belong?
Check your wallet. Cards usually belong in there.
Found it. Shall we walk along the river path?
Perfect idea. I love walking along the water.
Me too. By the way, do you belong to any book clubs?
Yes, we meet at the cafe along Fifth Avenue.
Did you notice how we used both words?
It belongs on that shelf. Proper place.
Come along, accompany me.
Which library do you belong to? Membership.
It's along Main Street, positioned beside.
Where does it belong? Proper place.
Cards belong in there, proper place.
Walk along the river path. Movement beside.
Walking along the water, movement beside.
Do you belong to any book clubs? Membership.
The cafe along Fifth Avenue, positioned beside.
All used correctly.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Confusing the two words.
Wrong, I along to a gym. Right, I belong to a gym.
Wrong. Walk belong the street. Right. Walk along the street.
They're completely different words.
Mistake 2. Wrong preposition with belong.
Wrong. This belong at me. Correct. This belongs to me.
Use belong to for ownership.
Wrong. I belong at a club. Correct. I belong to a club.
Mistake 3. Using belong as a noun.
Wrong. My belong is here. There's no noun belong.
Correct. My belongings are here. Belongings is a noun. Things you own.
Belong is a verb. Belongings is the noun.
Mistake 4. Forgetting along in phrasal verbs.
Wrong. Come with. Correct. Come along or come along with me.
Come along is the complete phrase.
Belong plus prepositions.
Belong to. Most common.
This belongs to her. I belong to that group.
Belong in. Proper place. Inside.
Your coat belongs in the closet. This belongs in the drawer.
Belong on. Proper place. On top.
The book belongs on the shelf. Plates belong on the table.
Belong with. Goes together with.
This lid belongs with that pot. He belongs with his family.
Different prepositions, different meanings.
Along plus nouns.
Along plus linear features. Roads, rivers, etc.
Along the road, along the river, along the coast.
Along the border, along the fence, along the wall.
Anything that has a line or edge.
Phrasal verbs with along.
Come along means accompany or make progress. Come along with us. How is your project coming along?
Bring along means bring with you.
Bring your guitar along. I brought my friend along.
Get along means have a good relationship.
We get along great. Do you get along with your boss?
Move along means continue moving.
Move along, please. Let's move along.
Go along means agree with or cooperate.
I'll go along with your plan. She went along with the idea.
These are important phrases.
Belongings versus belong.
Belong is a verb.
These shoes belong to me. Verb, they're mine.
Belongings is a plural noun.
Pack your belongings. Noun, your possessions.
She left her belongings at home. Things she owns.
Different forms, different uses.
Sense of belonging.
This is a common phrase.
I feel a sense of belonging here. I feel I fit in.
She needs to find her sense of belonging, feel part of something.
This is about feeling accepted and part of a group.
Along in time.
Along can also refer to time.
Along the way means during the journey or process. I learned a lot along the way.
All along means the entire time.
I knew it all along. He was lying all along.
Time uses of along.
Your challenge for this week.
Day 1. Write 10 sentences using belong with different prepositions.
Day 2. Write 10 sentences using along to show direction.
Day 3. Practice phrasal verbs with along.
Day 4. Notice these words in books or articles.
Day 5. Practice saying sentences aloud. Focus on pronunciation.
Day 6. Write a story using both belong and along.
Day 7. Explain the difference to someone else.
By week's end, you'll never confuse them.
Pronunciation practice.
Both have stress on long. Belong, belong.
Along, along.
The first syllable is different.
B versus A. Practice hearing the difference.
Say them together. Belong, along. Belong, along.
Belong in different tenses.
Present. It belongs here. I belong to them.
Past. It belonged to my grandfather. She belonged to the club.
Present perfect. This has always belonged to me.
Future. One day I will belong to that organization.
Belong conjugates like a regular verb.
Creating emphasis.
You can emphasize ownership.
This belongs to me, not to you.
I really belong here. Feeling of fitting in.
You can emphasize direction.
Come right along. Walk straight along this path.
Regional and cultural notes.
Both words are used the same way in all English-speaking countries. American, British, Australian, no difference.
Universal usage.
Common fixed expressions.
With belong.
Where do I belong? Finding your place.
You belong with me. Song lyric means we should be together.
I don't belong here. I don't fit in.
With along.
All along, the whole time.
Tag along. Follow or accompany.
Play along. Pretend to agree.
Sing along. Sing together.
Practical scenarios.
At home.
The remote belongs on the coffee table. These toys belong in the box.
Giving directions.
Go along this street until you see the bank. The store is along the main road.
Social situations.
Do you want to come along to the party? I feel like I belong in this group.
Different contexts.
Understanding context.
Context always makes the meaning clear.
If talking about ownership or membership, it's belong.
If talking about direction or position, it's along.
Listen for prepositions. They give clues. Belong to versus along the. Different patterns.
Quick review.
Belong is a verb meaning ownership, membership, or proper place.
Along is a preposition meaning direction, position, or accompaniment.
They only sound similar. Meanings are completely different.
Belong uses belong to, belong in, belong on, belong with.
Along uses along the street, come along, get along, all along.
Belongings is the noun form of belong, means possessions.
Phrasal verbs with along are come along, bring along, get along, move along.
Pronunciation, belong versus along.
Listen for context to know which word is meant.
More detailed examples.
Let's see more real-life usage.
Using belong for ownership.
This umbrella belongs to me. The car belongs to my sister. That dog belongs to our neighbor.
Clear ownership.
Using belong for proper place.
Your jacket belongs in the closet. Medicine belongs in the cabinet. Tools belong in the garage.
Where things should be.
Using belong for membership.
I belong to 3 organizations. She belongs to the tennis club. We belong to the Parent-Teacher Association.
Being part of groups.
Using along for movement.
We drove along the coast. He ran along the track. They cycled along the bike path.
Movement beside something.
Using along for position.
Restaurants along the boardwalk. Benches along the pathway. Flowers planted along the fence.
Things positioned beside.
Belong with emotions.
Belong expresses feelings.
I feel like I don't belong here. You belong with people who appreciate you. She found where she belongs.
Emotional connections.
Along with progress.
How is your work coming along? The project is moving along nicely. Things are going along smoothly.
Progress meanings.
Belong in questions.
Where does this belong? Who does this belong to? Do you belong to any clubs?
Useful question forms.
Along in questions.
Can I come along? Would you like to tag along? Are you getting along with your roommate?
Different question types.
Memory tricks.
Belong has be. Think be in the right place or be mine.
Along has a. Think a line or a path.
Visual tricks help.
Testing yourself.
This book belongs to me. Ergo, belongs. Ownership.
Walk along this street. Ergo, along. Direction.
I belong to a gym. Ergo, belong. Membership.
Come along with us. Ergo, along. Accompaniment.
How did you do?
Common collocations.
With belong.
Belong together. Belong to the past. Belong in a museum. Belong in jail.
Right where I belong. Always belonged. Never belonged.
Learn these as phrases.
With along.
All along, get along, come along, bring along, move along.
Tag along. Sing along. Play along. String along.
Phrasal verbs are important.
Belong in storytelling.
Belong creates character connections.
He never felt like he belonged in the small town.
She finally found people she belonged with.
The treasure belonged to an ancient king.
Adds depth to stories.
Along in descriptions.
Along creates visual pictures.
Cherry blossoms bloomed along the pathway.
Old buildings stood along the cobblestone street.
Lanterns glowed along the waterfront.
Paints a scene.
Idiomatic expressions.
Play along means pretend to agree or cooperate.
I'll play along with your joke.
String along means deceive someone.
He was stringing her along, keeping false hope.
Tag along means follow or accompany.
Can my little brother tag along?
All along means the entire time.
I suspected it all along. She knew all along.
Useful idioms.
Belong with responsibility.
Belong can show responsibility.
This task belongs to you. It's your responsibility.
The decision belongs to the manager, their authority.
Shows who should handle something.
Belong in spatial descriptions.
Describing locations precisely.
The cafe is somewhere along this street.
There are parking spaces along the curb.
Seats along the window are available.
Specific positioning.
Belong in formal versus informal.
Works in all situations.
Formal, these documents belong in the archive.
Informal, this stuff belongs in your room.
Same usage.
Along, informal versus informal.
Also universal.
Formal, proceed along the designated pathway. Informal, just go along that way.
Both work.
You now understand belong and along completely.
These words are no longer confusing.
Practice using both correctly in different situations.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. This book, blank to me. Use belongs.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.